So you finally set up that decentralized wallet. Now you need to understand gas fees. Anything that you do in your new decentralized wallet is going to incur a gas fee. And what a gas fee is, it's just a small little transaction that you're going to pay to the blockchain for doing anything on that blockchain in your wallet. So for example, if you just sent some Ethereum from your exchange to your decentralized wallet Ethereum address, that Ethereum is now on the Ethereum blockchain. And anytime that you do anything on the Ethereum blockchain in your decentralized wallet, you're gonna have to pay a little bit of that Ethereum to accomplish the task. Now, Ethereum gas fees do tend to be on the higher side, but you can use layer 2 networks in order to get around them. Here are some here. But keep in mind that those layer 2 networks also have a native token that you'll have to pay some gas in. For example, if you wanna pay lower gas fees on the Ethereum network, you might choose Base. Instead of using that classic Ethereum to pay the gas fees, you will now pay Ethereum on the Base network to pay those gas fees. And you can get that Ethereum on the Base network either by sending the Ethereum from your exchange to your Base address on your wallet, or through this thing that we call bridging, which is taking it from the Ethereum network and moving it to the Base network. I've talked a lot about Ethereum, but the same principle goes for Solana, Sui, and all these different blockchains that you're going to interact with. You still have to pay those fees. They just typically are a lot less than Ethereum. The point of this story is, if you are doing anything on your wallet on a blockchain, you are going to need a reserve to pay those gas fees. So if you have some tokens on the Ethereum network that are sitting and you're waiting on the bull run to move those tokens, likely you're going to be paying astronomical gas fees on that Ethereum network. So be sure that you have some Ethereum saved up for that instant, unless you're using a layer 2, which you will have to use a little less of that native token. I just covered a lot in a little bit of time, so if you still have questions about this, please leave those down in the comments, and I would love to help y'all out with this. Other than that, y'all have a great day. Peace.